You lie in bed, eyes wide open, staring at the ceiling clock. It's 2:47 a.m. again. You've tried herbal teas, warm milk, even counting sheep, but nothing works anymore. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Over 70% of people over 60 experience some level of insomnia. But here's the surprising part. It's not just stress or aging. It's often a melatonin problem. And it starts with what you eat before bed. As we age, our bodies produce less melatonin, the natural sleep hormone. Melatonin tells your brain it's time to rest, lowers your body temperature, and helps your muscles relax. But after 60, production drops by up to 50%, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. The good news, you can rebuild your melatonin levels naturally with the right evening snacks. Most people rush to buy melatonin supplements. But did you know that natural food sources can work just as well, without dependency or side effects? These 5 snacks are scientifically proven to support melatonin and serotonin, the calm and happy neurotransmitter. And the best part, they're delicious, easy to find, and perfect for seniors' digestion. Let's start with the champion, tart cherries or tart cherry juice. In a 2012 study, older adults who drank tart cherry juice before bed fell asleep faster and slept longer than those who didn't. Tart cherries are rich in melatonin and tryptophan, both essential for sleep quality. Just half a cup of tart cherry juice, about 1 hour before bed, can help you fall asleep naturally, without pills, without side effects. Try it for 3 nights and watch your sleep change. Yes, kiwi, that simple green fruit you might overlook at the grocery store. It's packed with antioxidants, serotonin, and folate, all linked to better sleep regulation. One study found that adults who ate 2 kiwis before bed improved their total sleep time by 35% after just 4 weeks. So next time you crave something light and sweet after dinner, grab a kiwi. Your body will thank you at midnight. You've probably heard almonds are good for your heart, but they're also rich in magnesium and melatonin, both crucial for deep sleep. Magnesium helps relax your muscles and calm your nervous system, which prevents that restless tossing and turning. A handful of almonds, or a small spoon of almond butter on toast, makes the perfect bedtime snack. And if you wake up often at night, this one might be your best friend. Bananas are loaded with vitamin B6, magnesium, and tryptophan, which your body converts into melatonin. If you often wake up with leg cramps or nighttime anxiety, a banana can help relax muscles and nerves. Try blending half a banana, a little warm milk, and cinnamon, the perfect pre-sleep smoothie. It's not just comfort food, it's a melatonin cocktail in disguise. A small bowl of oats before bed can do wonders. Oats contain melatonin, complex carbs, and fiber that help your body absorb tryptophan, the amino acid that boosts serotonin. Add a drizzle of honey and a few sliced almonds, and you've got a delicious sleep-friendly snack that won't spike your blood sugar. Plus, oats support stable energy levels overnight, helping you wake up refreshed, not groggy. Here's how to make these foods work for you. 1 hour before bed, turn off screens, dim lights, and prepare your favorite melatonin snack. Keep portions small, 100 to 150 calories max. You want your body to rest, not digest heavily. Stay hydrated, but avoid large drinks right before sleep. Keep your bedroom cool and quiet. Your body sleeps best at P-68 degrees Fahrenheit. Pair these steps with your melatonin-rich snack, and you'll create a natural rhythm your body understands again. Imagine waking up tomorrow. No heavy eyes, no 3 a.m. frustration, no afternoon yawns. Just steady, peaceful sleep, the kind you used to enjoy. And it all starts with one small change tonight. Try one of these 5 snacks before bed, and in a few days, your body will begin to remember how to rest deeply again. Because real sleep doesn't come from a pill. It comes from nature, balance, and consistency. And if you'd like to know the next secret food that boosts melatonin even more than cherries, make sure you subscribe. The next video reveals it, and it's probably already in your pantry. Sweet dreams, my friend, you've earned them.